Hi everyone, today we're doing lesson 2 of module 7, measurement and data. So turn to page 13 to follow along and take notes. So here's a hands-on lesson. It's measuring lengths to the nearest 1/2 inch using rulers. So here's an example, little caterpillar type bug here, and we can see that it is in inches on this ruler, and the ruler, it measures right there, which is the 3. So this is 3 inches. And notice that it is measured right from the 0, right from the end. Again, this one is lined up right at the 0. You have to remember that when you are using a ruler, you line it up right at the 0. And then you see where it goes to. And we can see that this one lines up right at the 5. So this one is 5 inches long. Number 3, again, right at the edge, at the 0. You have to be very careful when you use your ruler and do that. And then we can see here it goes 1, 2. It's not to the 3, but it's halfway in between. So we would say that this is 2.5 inches. Number 4, this pencil, again, right at the 0. Okay, if you mess up a little bit and you have it over here, it's not going to be an accurate measurement. You have to be as accurate and precise as possible. So exactly right at the edge of the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one goes right to the 6 inches. So this would be 6 inches. And then number 5, the marker, again, at the 0, the very point is at the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is over here. It's not 6 inches. It's halfway between 5 and 6. So it's 5.5. 5.5 inches. This says, measure the bottom of your foot to the nearest 1/2 inch. So get a ruler, measure your foot. Make sure you go walking heel to toe. Okay, then you can do this. Take 6 steps, 3 steps with each foot. So that means that you line up. So like if one foot is here, then the next foot you step right in front of it. And then you line it up and you take 6 steps total, just like that. Okay, so this would be like 1 foot, 2 foot, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says, how many inches did you travel? Explain how to find the answer without measuring the distance. So if you did this, you could measure the distance from the beginning to the end. But if you know the length of your foot to the nearest 1/2 inch, how can you figure that out? Okay, so you're going to measure your foot and you're going to talk about the distance traveled and figure that out in inches. And then you're going to write down how you did that. Okay. So make sure to get a ruler and practice that now. All right, now you just need to complete page 15 on your own. Make sure to ask for help if you need it. Good luck.